Okay, let's make this one. First, delete the default cube and adjust the camera to isometric view. Adjust the camera to the middle. Okay, let's make the leaf. Start with the plane and adjust the size. You can do any shape of the leaf here. I'm doing the basic shape of the leaf. Now let's add subdivision modifier to smooth the edges. Let's bend the leaf with proportional edit. Move the center edges down to make the groove. Let's move the side of the leaf down here. Move the leaf along one axis, cursor toward origin, and origin of the leaf to 3D cursor, and shape smooth of the leaf. Now let's add empty and scale it down and apply the scale. Now let's add array modifier to the leaf and count to 16. Select object offset and select to the empty. Rotate the empty along the z-axis 360 divided by 16. This makes the circle of the leaf. Scale, rotate and adjust the leaf as you like. Select both leaf and empty. Shift D to duplicate it. Move along the z-axis. Select the leaf. Count down the array to 8. Select the empty. Rotate along the z-axis 360 divided by 8. This makes a circle of the leaf. Scale down the leaf and move inside. Select both leaf and empty and rotate 11.25 degree. Move a little bit down. Select both empty and the leaf. Shift D to duplicate it and rotate 22.5 degree. Scale down the leaf and move inside. Select both empty and the leaf. Shift D to duplicate, move upward and count the array to 4. Let's apply the rotation of the leaf. Select the empty, rotate 360 divided by 4. Scale on the leaf, move inside. Select both empty and the leaf. Rotate along the y-axis. Select both empty and the leaf. Shift D to duplicate, rotate 45 degree. Move a little bit down. Scale down the leaf and move inside. Let's rotate the camera. Adjust the shape of the leaf as you like. Okay, the overall shape of the leaf done. Okay, let's make the fruit. Shift A to select the cube and set the fish modifier 2 times and apply it. Scale on the cube, move along the z-axis and shape smooth. Duplicate the fruit as many as you like. Okay, now adjust the position of that fruit. Now let's add material to the leaf. Shift A to select gradient texture and connect it. Set the gradient texture to spherical. Select the gradient texture and Ctrl D to add texture coordinate. Shift A to select separate X, Y, and Z. Connect the Z to the vector. Select the map beam and adjust the scale. Now add color ramp to adjust the black and white. After adjusting the black and white, you can change the color you want. For this, I select dark green and the light green. Then select other leaf and link materials to them. Now let's make the material to the fruit. Copy the node from the leaf and paste it into the fruit. And change the color to dark red and red. Now let's link material to other fruits. Flip the color ramp to add dark red to the bottom. Changes to B-spline to add smooth transition. Okay, now let's add the plane. Change to render preview mode and add sunlight to it. Rotate the sunlight on the y-axis to add shadow. Add blue light to the wall light and press F12 to render in cycles. Now you know how to make the leaf and the top pane. Now you can change the shape of the leaf and the top pane as you like and create various kinds of trees.